Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, online stationery shop. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. So this is a bootstrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID. So this technology stacks we have used for development this project, and this is a responsive theme. If you click on any inspect, if you click on that, then you can see this is a mobile version of the website. So this is all of the mobile version you can see. Okay, now let's start the functionality of the project. So our project title is online stationery shop. We have developed this project with two different types of interface. That one is front end face and second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface, but both are responsive, and we are using PHP Bootstrap latest version. So this is a major project, and from this project you can learn a lot of things. Means how can create the database, how can you manage the database, PHP with CRUD application, create, update and delete. Many of things you can learn. So let's start the features that we have developed inside the project. So this is a home page. You can see all the category, all the products you can see. You can see a sliders here. We added 3 images for sliding. If you click on the shop, now again the slider and the image has been changed. We have used a lot of plugins to develop this project. We tried to make this project more functional, more operational. So this is a home page. Now this is a about us page. So, and this is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. Now click on the products page. You can see all of the products are coming from the database. If you click on the view button like a storybooks, you can see here the details. So this is all of the product like a storybooks details. Same for the category. This is all of the categories we have. So we have added 8 categories, but this is a dynamic. You can add the number of categories from the database or other from the admin panel. So we have a separate admin panel for that. If you click on the categories like a files and folder, its contents one product related to the category are coming from the database. So this is a registration page. Here user can register here. You can see this is a login page. Here user can log in, and this is a contact us page. This is a static page, contact us page. Here we integrated a small map. You can see this, there is nothing dynamic. So now let's go. If I buy some products like if I buy fountain pen, click on that, view details. You can add the number of items like a 1, 2 and click on add to cart. So there is a restrictions. Without login you can't buy the any stationery product. So if you must have the user account on this portal for buying any stationery product. So you without login you can't buy the any product. So user ID is Amit and password is Gmail. Now log into account. Oh, this is a user dashboard. First click on the products. Now click on the fountain pen. You can click number of items. You can see the 2 items. Click on add to cart. You can see the amount gets calculating automatically, and the total amount, that much amount you need to pay. Now click on the proceed to checkout. Oh, this is a payment page. This is a dummy page, not a real payment. You can enter anything like a card number 1 2 3 4 5 6, card name Visa or a master, expiry date 12, CVV 45. Now click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done, and this is a order summary. You can see your order from the order summary, and now click on the dashboard. You can see this is a user dashboard. You can see this is a very great dashboard. Here you can see 20 orders, confirmed orders, transit order, delivered orders. This is a order. You can see here important links. You can see this is the important links. Either you can go on the page from this, or either clicking on this page. Just like click on all products. You can see all the products. Now there is a my orders. You can see your ordered all orders from the my order sections. If you want to click, if you want to see all the details about, you can click on the I icon. You can see the order summary. Now this is a my account page. Here user can easily update his account, and this is a change password. Here you can easily change the password. Now log out. So this is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option is showing, log out option is also showing, and dashboard option is showing. If I log out, then you can see menu has been changed because of the session driven. Customer has a login, so the system is checking who is login and accordingly, so that the upper menu has been displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open first admin like a slash admin. Now click on it. You need to log in, right? So without login you can't access the internal page. Now admin@gmail.com and the password is test. This is a admin dashboard. You can see all the admin dashboard. You can see everything from here. So this is a dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing, because you can minimize or maximize. The page will comes again. So here the total order section, total customer, total products. This is a quick menu. From here you can go on this page like a, you can see all the. So now click on the add dashboard, add product, sorry. Here admin can easily add the new product from the product management page, and this is a product report page. Here you can see all the product reports. If you click on the edit button, the product will open in the edit format. So then you can see the edit, and this is the product report. And this is a here you product report, and you can see the product report, and you can also export this whole data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can do disable or enable the columns from here, like a column visibility, like a image. You can see the image has been disabled. Now click on that, the image has been visible. This is the power of this table. Same for the category. Here admin can add new category from the add category page. Same for the category report. You can see all the category report and you can easily edit and delete from here. This is a order management page, all order. You can see the all orders. Admin can see all orders. If admin can want to see the details of this, you can click on the view. You can see the all order details. If you want to cancel this order, now click on cancel and update. You can see the order has been cancelled. And this is a customer management page. Here admin can easily add the new customer from this page, and this is a customer report. You can see all the customers. Here you can easily edit and delete from here. And this is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout option. You can easily log out here. So this is admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we have developed these two different types of view for the managing this whole project, online stationery shop. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any new feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.